Hey guys, Marcus here. In this quick video, I'm going to share with you how you can unlock your Kenmore dishwasher. It's nothing difficult, so let's start. So what you need to do and find, this is for not resetting, this is just for the unlocking if you, if a child locked it. So first thing first, maybe you're gonna find a button called control lock, and what you want to do is just want to hold for 3 seconds. It's going to look like this, that you're gonna have the lock symbol there. This is the first thing. The second thing is that if you're not going to find the lock control, you want to find a button called whatever, and under that button you're gonna have lock, hold 3 seconds. Here it's sending runs. I don't know how to read that. So here you have to press and hold the sending runs for 3 seconds, but maybe it's going to be under small drive plus. Or even what can happen is that you're gonna have a lock on here somewhere next to the button, and you have to press that button for 3 seconds. So try it out, and I hope this video helped you on how you can fix the issue. Have a great day and goodbye.